Dear viewers, dear guys, I think you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now we will discuss how to develop speaking powers. Today I will discuss how to develop our speaking powers. Firstly, work on your pronunciation. Talk with yourself in the mirror. Like, do you have no intention? You have to speak out in English in front of a mirror. Listen attentively like a native speaker. Find native speaker to talk to. Read books aloud. Expand your vocabulary. Work on your confidence. With your full confidence, you have to try best yourself to speak out in English. Dear viewers and learners, today I have come to Alhera Kindergarten and School, Nageswari, Kurigram. Now I have met with my best friend Mizanur Rahman. Now I will ask him something about the institution. Dear friend, how are you?
I am fine.
Thank you very much for connecting with us. How do we increase our English speaking power?
I think to increase our English speaking power, we have to speak first. Secondly, to listen English.
Thank you very much, dear friend. What do you do now? What is your profession?
Okay, I am teaching Alhera Kindergarten and School, Nageswari, Kurigram.
Oh, thank you very much, dear my friend. I am very happy to speak out with you. Why do guardians interested to admit their children in this institution?
Okay, thank you very much. You are my friend. It's extraordinary and teaching method is exceptional learning. Okay?
Dear friend, thank you very much for joining with me. You are congratulated from our press. I think that please inspired to the student. I think all of the guardian interested to admit here in your institution because your teaching method is exceptional and learning is made here practically. Thank you very much. Dear, how to speak out in English? How to develop your speaking skill? It's very easy. If you try best yourself to speak in English, it will be help you automatically. Thank you, and thank you.